Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. And before of this session, we had discussion about the virtualization. What is virtualization? How we are going to use this virtualization? Everything we had discussed in the last session. In the current session, we will go discuss about the benefits of virtualization. So why majority of the companies has been preferred the virtualization for deploying their servers? Because of there are so many reasons behind that. Out of those, I had picked some of the best reasons. Just you can have the look on this. Cost. How the cost become effective by using the virtualization? Because of if there is no virtualization, if company have the requirement of 100 servers, they need to procure the 100 servers. For that 100 servers, they need to maintain the data center. The cost of the servers has been gradually increased. Okay, by using the virtualization software, with the help of the virtualization, instead of procuring 100 servers, they had been procured only 30 to 40 servers. With that 30 to 40 servers, they had been maintained the entire 100 servers. They had meet their requirement with the help of the virtualization. So here the cost of the servers has been reduced or not. In this way, the cost has been reduced. Real estate, nothing but space. If I have the 100 servers, I need more space or not. If my servers has been occupied more space, then the office space which has been occupied, I need to pay the rent for that. Thus the space has been increased, I need to pay more amount for the space. So with the help of virtualization, the capacity of the servers has been reduced. It means instead of using 100 servers, what I will do, I will use only 20 to 30 servers. So with that, the cost of the space has been reduced. Electricity, the cost of the electricity has been reduced. Management, instead of maintaining 100 physical servers, is it easy to maintain 30 servers? Obviously, it has been reduced. Means it is the management. And redundancy means instead of maintaining 100 servers, 100 physical servers, I am going to maintain the 30 servers. The redundancy, the lesser time means the virtual machines are running on the physical servers. If any physical server went down, automatically the machines which are running on that physical server will be migrated to the another physical server which is running in the same network. Here the redundancy has been provided, and at the same time we can be able to deploy the missions so fastly with the help of virtualization. And resource availability, the availability timing means the availability of servers has been rapidly increased. Better testing and performance, and the licensing in every aspect with the help of the virtualization, with the nothing but with the use of virtualization, everything, the performance wise, the cost wise, the economy wise, everything has been improved. So that's why the corporate has been preferred for the virtualization. And in order to better understanding about the virtualization, we need to have the look on these terms. What is bare metal server? Bare metal server is nothing but the physical server with no operating system. Means if I have any physical server, that may be HP, that may be Dell, or that may be Lenovo, whatever it may be, if any physical server that have with no operating system, that will be called as a bare metal. Hypervisor is nothing but virtual. Whatever the virtualization software which I am going to deploy on top of the physical server or bare metal server, that will be called as a hypervisor. Hypervisor is nothing but virtualization software. Every company has their in respect to hypervisors, different hypervisors. Then we will have a look on the further slides. Virtual machine means VM or guest or instance, whatever it may be. VM is nothing but a virtual machine. In Azure, we will be called as a virtual machine. In VMware, we will be called as a virtual machine. But in AWS, it will be called as instance, EC2 instance. Guest OS, whatever the thing we can be called, it will comes under one category. Virtual machine is nothing but VM or guest OS or instance. It will be called as a virtual machine is nothing but the server. Virtualization server, virtualization manager, and as a general, we have the so many physical servers are there. Means suppose if you take example, if you have the 10 physical servers, on that 10 physical servers, you are going to deploy the virtualization layer. On top of the virtualization, you had created some virtual machines. Suppose you have the 100 servers on top of the 30 physical servers. How will go? How you will control? You are every time you are going to log in onto one physical server, you are going to check. It's quite difficult for you. So that's why with the help of the vCenter, it's a centralized management console. With the help of the vCenter, we are going to manage the entire cluster. Okay. And virtualization desktop VDA, it is nothing like but a desktop, but the desktop is not visible. It's a virtualized desktop. P2V, physical to virtual. V2V, virtual to virtual, means it's a migration. How we will be converted the physical server into the virtualization server, like migrations, means on premises to cloud. Here virtual to virtual means one cloud platform to another cloud platform, or one virtualization platform to another virtualization platform. VM templates means VM template is nothing but it's a predefined template. If I run this template, automatically the mission will be created. Mission is nothing but the server will be created with the required things. Suppose if I want to create the mission with the predefined structure, means the mission will be created, the OS will be deployed, the required application also will be deployed, and the mission will be turned on. So with the help of that VM template, I will fulfill my things. That is the concept of VM template. Snapshot. Snapshot is the backup. It is not exactly backup. It will work as a backup. Means if I want to, suppose if I had updated anything, suppose it has been failed, I want to get back to my previous condition. With the help of the snapshot, that will be possible. Clone. Cloning is nothing but if I want to create one more mission with the same characteristics. However, my mission exists in the similar way. If I want to create one more mission, at the time I am going to use the clone. So these are the things you just need to keep in your mind for understanding better about the virtualization topics. Okay, just please refer this, and I hope you guys enjoyed the session. We will meet up in the next session with a new topic. Okay, thank you for joining my session.